Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walk around tour of our 2019 Mercedes-Benz CLS400D AMG line Premium Plus we have new in stock. This is a ULEZ compliant Euro 6 diesel vehicle. I'm just going to walk you through some of the optional and standard features on the car. To begin with, you've got the obsidian black metallic paintwork. The AMG line model comes with the exterior trim inserts with the chrome grille, chrome front splitter attachment, chrome rear apron surround, chrome tailpipe finishers and door surrounds. You've got privacy glass as an added optional inclusion, LED taillights as standard, and LED daytime running lights with bi-xenon headlights at the front as standard. You've got the 20-inch multi-spoke AMG style alloy wheels with a diamond turned finish as part of your Premium Plus inclusions. You also get the electronic sliding sunroof on the interior, the keyless go comfort package, the COMAND online system with a touchpad on the centre console, the Burmester surround sound system, and the memory package for the driver and the passenger seat with the full electric movable functions and lumbar support. You've got full leather for all of the seating, your leather-wrapped multi-function steering wheel with your touch swipe controls and cruise control. On the centre console where your command online system is, you've got your dynamic driving modes. You've got wireless charging in the centre console area with the cup holders, your climate control functions and more of your infotainment controls accessible further up, as well as the air vents with the ambient lighting where you've got 64 different colours available. On the centre screen you've got access to your reversing camera and 360 overview camera as a standard inclusion. You've also got access to some of your in-car features such as your dynamic driving modes, your driver assists and of course your ambient lighting, where as spoke about earlier you've got 64 different colours to choose from. If you would like any more information, would like to book a viewing or a test drive on this Mercedes-Benz CLS400D AMG line Premium Plus, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end or inquire for our website.